Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cub Cadet wheels are probably one of the most important components for your lawn tractor or zero-turn mower, significantly impacting its performance, maneuverability, and longevity. Choosing the right wheels and tires ensures smooth operation across various terrains, from flat, manicured lawns to uneven, challenging landscapes, maximizing efficiency and minimizing wear and tear on your machine. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting replacement wheels and tires for your Cub Cadet equipment, helping you make an informed decision that optimizes your mowing experience. Number 5. AR Pro 15X 6.00-6 Tire Assemblies. These pre-assembled front wheels are designed for a perfect fit and will save you valuable time. They're the exact replacement for your existing wheels, ensuring a smooth and efficient mowing experience. They're specifically designed for several John Deere models, including the 100, D100, and other series. Always double-check your tire's sidewall for the exact size to ensure compatibility. With a 3-inch centered hub and 3 4-inch bushings, they are compatible with various riding mower brands. The outer diameter is 14.2 inches, width is 5.23 inches, and rim size is 6 inches. These assemblies boast a 400-pound load capacity per tire, making them ideal for heavier loads. They're made from high-quality rubber for durability and reliability in all seasons. The shallow tread depth and wider footprint minimize surface damage on turf and sensitive areas. They also provide excellent traction and maneuverability on various surfaces, including gravel and sand. What we like. It's a perfect fit for your John Deere mower, saving you installation time. If you need a reliable and durable replacement that can handle heavier loads, this is the one for you. Its high load capacity makes it ideal for tackling tough jobs. What people say. Great fit, great replacement for factory. Tires were easy to install. Tire tread is not flat, but somewhat convex. Will probably flatten out with use. Overall impressed with quality build of wheel and like that these have both inflation Schrader valve and grease zerk fitting on the same side so that they can be mounted on the outside for easy access. Replaced the front tires on my Troy-Bilt. These weren't OEM so I had my doubts. But, I used them all mowing season this year and they're great. Haven't had to put any air in them since they were initially inflated. Number 4. 15X 6.00-6 Lawn Mower Tires. These durable tires are designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. They're built to last, ensuring your lawn mowing experience is efficient and enjoyable. Before installing, please verify they match your existing tire, wheel hub, and bushing size. This ensures a perfect fit for your mower. These tires are compatible with many popular lawn mower brands. They're ideal for riding lawn mowers, lawn tractors, and more. Made from 100% natural rubber and high-quality steel, these tires offer excellent shock absorption and a stable ride. They're built to withstand the demands of regular use. With a 570 pounds load capacity and a multi-trace tread, these tires provide superior traction and durability. Enjoy a reliable mowing experience for years to come. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This option boasts superior strength and durability. If you're looking for a heavy-duty tire that can withstand significant weight and offers a long lifespan, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it suitable for various riding mowers. What people say. Worked great for our busted John Deere mower tire. Wasn't difficult to replace. While the tires seem a little narrower than the originals, the wheels slipped right onto the front axles with the correct offset. The tires even came with the correct air pressure in them. This is a suitable replacement for a pair of Cub Cadet part number 634-04406-0911 wheel assemblies. Easy installation and came fast. Got these for a small John Deere utility trailer because the wheels were very old and the rims were rusted. Perfect fit. Number 3. Cub Cadet wheel assembly. This is the replacement wheel assembly for your Cub Cadet tractor. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. This is a genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring quality and compatibility with your machine. You can trust it for long-lasting use. It's compatible with many Cub Cadet LT, LTX, and SLT series tractors. Check your owner's manual to confirm compatibility. This assembly is designed for straightforward installation. You can quickly get back to working on your lawn. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Enjoy a smooth and reliable ride with this replacement. Get your Cub Cadet back in top shape with this high-quality wheel assembly. Enjoy peak performance once again. What we like. This is the genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you value authenticity and want to maintain your mower's original look, this is the ideal choice. Its OEM quality guarantees a seamless integration with your machine. What people say. These tires were a perfect fit for our Cub Cadet. The wheels fit on my LTX 1046 perfectly, one inner washer and the outer washer. They are tight but not too tight. Perfect replacement for my lawn tractor. Came inflated to boot. Number 2. Cub Cadet Super Turf Tires. These heavy-duty tires are designed for superior performance. They're built to last and provide excellent traction. This tire is the perfect fit for your Cub Cadet mower. The 18x 9.50-8 size ensures a smooth ride. With 4 plies of durable material, it provides superior strength and resilience. It can handle tough terrains with ease. The special tread pattern is designed for optimal traction on turf. It minimizes damage to your lawn while providing a smooth cut. The attractive beige finish adds a touch of style to your mower. The powder coating ensures long-lasting durability and protection against corrosion. They are compatible with various Cub Cadet models, including the RZT 50, 54, Z-Force 48, and 60. Please verify fitment before purchasing. These tires are a direct replacement for part number 634-04128. This makes installation quick and easy. What we like. These tires provide exceptional traction and minimize turf damage. If you prioritize a smooth ride and the protection of your lawn, this is the perfect choice. Its heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. Wheels aren't exact copies but fit fine on my Cub Cadet Zero Steer. Can't judge durability of tires yet but they look to be good quality. Exactly as described. Arrived clean, neatly packaged, and sooner than expected. The tires came wrapped well and secured. The best part, they fit like a glove. Number 1. Cub Cadet Wheel Assembly 634-047118-0936. This wheel assembly is a perfect replacement for your worn-out parts. It's designed for a smooth, reliable ride. This is a genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring quality and compatibility with your machine. It's built to last. It replaces several previous part numbers, making it a convenient and versatile option for your mower. Check your manual to confirm compatibility. This assembly is compatible with various RZTL series models. Ensure your model is listed before purchasing. It also fits several RZTS series models. Double-check your mower's model number for a perfect fit. It's a 13 by 5 inch wheel with a beige color. This ensures it matches your existing mower's aesthetic. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. You can get back to mowing quickly. What we like. This genuine Cub Cadet wheel assembly guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you need a precise replacement for your specific Cub Cadet model, this is the option for you. Its OEM quality ensures a seamless integration with your mower. What people say. Just as good as the original. The tires went on easy and worked great. I put them on and mowed about an acre of years. Fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.